Dear friends, it's our great pleasure to greet you at the opening of the final stage of the International Scratch Creative Programming Olympiad 2025. I am so glad to welcome participants to represent their countries. We really appreciate that such a large number of participants show interest in Scratch Olympiad, prepare their projects and improve their programming skills. Today we will discuss your tasks, look at last year's project for inspiration and ideas, and watch a video about Robo equipment. And now it's my honor to invite the chairman of the organizing committee, Pavel Frolov, with welcoming words.
Hello everyone, my name is Pavel Frolov. I am the founder of Robo, and it's a pleasure to welcome you all to the 9th final stage of Scratch Olympiad. Dear participants, I often wonder what motivates you to make such an effort to spend dozens of hours studying programming. I think I know the answer. It is the spark of creativity. It drives you to create, to make something of your own, to contribute to the world around you. Please, keep your creative spark alive. I would also like to acknowledge all those who participated from the other side: parents, organizers, national and regional operators and mentors. Experts from the various countries did a great job evaluating the projects. These people deserve our special gratitude, as not everyone is honored to be an expert of the International Olympiad. Without all of your efforts, these Scratch Olympiads would not have been possible. The children who are learning programming and robotics today will become the engineers, innovators, and inventors of tomorrow. The electronic devices, robots, and intelligent machines they create could help heal and save lives, prevent accidents, and solve critical problems. While politicians are focused on bickering and conflict, we are uniting together thousands of children, parents, and educators around the world through the Scratch Olympiad, the Robo Club movement, and the modernization of schools. We help countries cultivate talented engineers, build up their technology sovereignty and leadership, use cutting-edge software and hardware based on open-source technologies, grow by creating large-scale projects in a free community of like-minded people. We are proud that all this diversity was created internationally and that the children got the opportunity to exchange experience and ideas in the open format. This promotes both unity and the development of technology and science in each participating country. We are committed to expanding the horizons of the Scratch Olympiad to serve as a platform for genuine cross-culture exchange. Dear participants, I would like to congratulate you on reaching the final stage. You are already among the best. You have done a great job, and now you are here. Our team thoroughly has prepared all the tasks to make the competition both interesting and educational for you. We wish you the best of luck. Thank you and happy hacking.
Thank you, Pavel, for that inspiring speech. And now I suggest to take a look at the last year's projects. Dear friends, you have just seen some good projects from the final stage 2024. It's great that Scratch can be used to program not only virtual performers, but also real robots. Let's get to know these robots better, and perhaps next year you will choose the RobboScratch nomination.
This is the Robo Lab in front of you. A special device to help you learn robotics. The lab kit includes the lab itself, a wire to connect to a PC, and a manual. The lab lets you get information about the environment with a set of sensors on it. The information is processed and routed to a special program where you can see the readings of any sensor in a convenient form. The core of the lab is an Arduino Nano microcontroller. Robo Lab has a sound sensor and a light sensor. There is a potentiometer, 5 buttons, a speaker for sound output, and 11 LEDs for light indication. Furthermore, it is possible to connect additional sensors into the 3.5mm jack, such as a temperature sensor and an alligator clip wire. All of this is powered by the USB of your device. RobboScratch 3 is used as the software environment. An amazingly functional and very understandable visual programming language where commands are represented by graphical blocks. The same blocks contain commands for the lab as well, so you don't need any knowledge of complex languages to program. And for the more advanced ones, you can use the special programming environment Arduino IDE, which allows you to use C++ to program really complex programs. With these features, you can implement projects such as Smart Home, Robot Control, Game Controller, Scientific Device, and much more. With this lab, you can learn how to program devices in real time, learn to understand how sensors work and why they are needed, develop logic, algorithms, and creativity. Robo Lab is a very important step on the way to mastering robotics. This is the Robot Platform. This is a special device designed to help you learn robotics and provide you with the basics of robot programming. The Robo Platform Kit features the Robo Platform itself, a USB connection cable, instructions, and 6 plug-in sensors. The Robot Platform provides information about the environment with the help of a set of sensors. The information is processed and presented to a special program in a user-friendly way, allowing you to see the readings of any sensor. Following this, you will be able to program the behavior of the Robo Platform according to the sensor readings. The Robo Platform is based on the Arduino Nano microcontroller. There are 3 buttons on board: Start button, Battery button, and Reset button. The Robot Platform has 5 sensor sockets and 2 encoder wheels. There are also a touch sensor, light sensor, distance sensor, LED, and 2 line sensors. All of these operate from your device's USB port. As a software environment, RobboScratch 3 is used. It's an excellent, functional, and easily understandable visual programming language where the commands are represented as graphical blocks. The same blocks contain commands for the Robo Platform, so there is no need to be proficient in programming complex languages. For the advanced ones, you can use a special software environment, the Arduino IDE, allowing you to use C++ to program really complex programs. Besides supplying the robot with USB power, you can also use a portable power supply, such as a 9-volt PP3 type battery. This will enable you to use Bluetooth in order to program and control the robot. As a result of these features, you can create exciting behavior for the Robo platform. For example, a robot that recognizes touch, a robot that recognizes light, a robot that recognizes obstacles and stops, a robot that has the capability of lighting up an LED, a robot that navigates along a black line. Thanks to the Robo platform, you can learn about programming live devices, setting robot behavior based on data from its sensors, enhancing your knowledge of programming, logic, mathematics, and developing interesting projects. Robo platform represents a big step forward in the understanding of robotics.
Now, we will move on to the main part of our meeting. The tasks of the final stage have been published on the official website of the Scratch Olympiad. Let's go to the website, open the tasks of the final stage section, choose a nomination according to your final stage registration. There are 3 blocks: quiz, algorithmic task, and creative tasks for Scratch discipline or engineering tasks for RobboScratch discipline. You can start now. Good luck! This year the Scratch Olympiad is held for the 9th time. Participants from 40 countries have taken part in the competition and applied their projects. We're really proud of every participant and your progress. Now we would like to share with you the short greeting video from our partner and student from Iran, where they tell us about their successful experience in the Scratch Olympiad. Let's have a look!
In 2024, we could with Kids Institute brought the Scratch Olympiad to Iran for the first time. This year, so many Iranian kids joined in, and 3 of our students even won top ranks. We couldn't be prouder. As someone who has been teaching Scratch and judging competitions for some years, I can say that this Olympiad is amazing for kids and teens. It really pushes their problem solving and creative thinking, and the judging is super fair.
Hi, my name is Neva. I've done first place in consolidated national stage of International Scratch Olympiad 2025. My book nomination. I love the book. I picked slow, and making it was very awesome. I had some cool ideas for my animation. Coding some parts was tricky, but solving them made me excited. Participating in this competition was fun, exciting, and challenging. Thank you for holding it for us. Bye.
Hi, my name is Nishan Khazani. I'm from Iran. I'm the author of My Fish. This project helps people to get introduced to this marine life, and it's based on the Octonauts cartoon. I got inspired by Scratch 1 or 2 years ago, and I kept moving on. I could make it make good results in this competition. So I competed in this competition and I go second.
Hi, my name is Sana Sifi and I'm 8 years old and I'm from Iran. I earned second place in the Final Olympiad 2025. It was so much fun and I learned new things. Thanks to my family and my teacher, Mrs. Homa Fakur, to helping me. Thank you! Hi everyone, I'm Liana Hassani. Last year, I got third place and I'm really proud of myself. And I learned that I do not rush when I'm reading something and answering something. And I learned that I have to be really strong every time. And that will show me how to win.
And now we have a warm welcome from our dear expert from Egypt and a video about very productive life of the Scratch community there. Let's watch the video.
Hi everyone, my name is Isar Ayub from Egypt. I am the founder and the chairwoman of Future Coders Academy. I have been working with Scratch for many years, teaching students and teachers how to code in a fun and creative way. We also organize events, workshops, hackathons and Scratch meetups so people can share ideas, build projects and learn together. It's an honor for me to be an expert and judge for the Scratch Olympiad, where I get to see amazing project for students all around the world and support my students in bringing their creativity to the international stage. Through Future Coders, my goal is simple: to inspire young people and teachers to explore coding, thinking creativity, and enjoy the journey of learning with Scratch.
أنا أحمد علاء الدين محفوظ. أنا بستعمل برنامج سكراتش عشان هو بيخلينا نقدر نعمل كرتون وممكن ألعاب أو أي حاجة. فأنا بحب أستعمل سكراتش عشان هو سهل، وبحب كمان أعمل الشخصيات من دماغي عشان أكون مثلا أحط الألوان اللي أنا عايزها والشكل وكل ده والشعر. بس أنا بعمل الشخصيات من على برنامج إليستريتور وبعدها أحطها على سكراتش وأبدأ بعمل الكود والألعاب وكل ده.
أنا اسمي باسم كارم. أنا بحب أستخدم برنامج سكراتش عشان هو سهل وبسيط وبحب أبرمج الألعاب.
أنا أمير هيثم أحمد.
أنا يوسف فتحي المتواجد.
إحنا بقالنا كتير بنشتغل على سكراتش وإحنا بنشتغل بيه بروجرامينج ونقدر نعمل بيه أنيميشن وكرتون.
Let's watch a video from our dear partner from Thailand and see the very serious scale of support of the Scratch Olympiad in the country.
ที่ได้รับโอกาสเข้าร่วมการแข่งขัน International Scratch Creative Programming Olympiad
ปีนี้เป็นปีแรกที่ประเทศไทยได้เหรียญนะครับเราได้เหรียญมาทั้งหมด7เหรียญนะครับเหรียญที่1ก็คือเหรียญทองนะครับแล้วก็ได้เหรียญเงินมา3เหรียญแล้วก็ได้เหรียญทองแดงนะครับมา3เหรียญรวมทั้งหมดแล้ว7เหรียญนะครับวัตถุประสงค์หลักของการจัดตรงนี้ครับเราสนับสนุนองค์การสหประชาชาติใน17หัวข้อเรื่องแล้วเราไปโฟกัสที่เรื่องของหัวข้อที่4เรียกว่า quality education โดยทำความร่วมมือกับประเทศฟินแลนด์เราได้รับการสนับสนุนนะครับจากสปอนเซอร์ชิพนะครับซึ่งเขาจะย้ายฐานการผลิตเรื่องของ AI เรื่อง Anti Drone Radar เข้ามาประเทศไทยวันนี้ถ้าเรากลับไปดูเรื่อง Global AI Index นะครับขับไปเซิร์ชในอินเทอร์เน็ต62ประเทศครับเมื่อ3ปีที่แล้วประเทศไทยไม่ติดเลยครับใน62ประเทศแต่เมื่อ2ปีที่แล้วตอนนี้ขยับมาอยู่อันดับ43นั่นหมายความว่าเราจะต้องให้ความสำคัญเรื่องนี้เพราะนี่คืออุตสาหกรรมภาคที่0หรือเป็น Industry 5.0 เพื่อรองรับนโยบายเศรษฐกิจมูลค่าสูงแล้วก็การสร้างงานสร้างเงิน
ก่อนอื่นเลยต้องขอแสดงความยินดีด้วยนะคะที่นำเหรียญกลับมานะเหรียญทองเป็นปีแรกนะคะเหรียญเงินเหรียญทองแดงจริงๆทุกเหรียญเนี่ยภายใต้ของการได้รางวัลเหล่านี้คือความมุ่งมั่นความพยายามความตั้งใจนะคะต้องใช้พลังทั้งแรงกายแรงใจเยอะแล้วก็ที่สำคัญนะคะต้องได้โอกาสด้วยเพิ่งเห็นว่ามีหนุ่มน้อย7 ขวบนะคะที่ร่วมเข้ามาได้รางวัลด้วยอันนี้นี่ก็ต้องขอบคุณผู้ใหญ่ด้วยนะคะที่สนับสนุนเด็กๆให้เขาได้ก้าวเข้ามาแล้วก็ลองเริ่มทำตั้งแต่เริ่มต้นแล้วก็สนับสนุนกันอันนี้มันคือการให้โอกาสอย่างเต็มรูปแบบที่แท้จริงจะดีมากถ้าเราจะสามารถช่วยส่งต่อความรู้เหล่านี้ให้คนกลุ่มที่มากขึ้นเรื่อยๆ
I go to universities in Thailand, in schools Thailand, because I want to see your students, and your students is really smart and it's really wanna to be engineer and have a good job in technology.
We are really happy to join with this program together for developing the two countries' development through the education program. So at the same time, we will supply our anti-drone system to Thailand, and we will transfer and share the technology. I think with this program and the business, we will create and develop the relationship between two countries.
직접 진행하고자 하는 비즈니스는 안티드론 레이더 사업입니다. 안티드론 레이더 사업은 국가 안보와 직접적인 아주 중요한 부분을 차지하고 있고요. 초기에는 물론 저희들이 단순 수출이 되겠지만 궁극적으로는 태국 학생들을 교육시키고 훈련시켜서 직접 조립하고 생산하고 AS까지 할 수 있는 그런 단계까지 가고자 하는 것이 저희들의 목표입니다.
Thank you all for being with us today. Dear participants, we wish you the best of luck and success in completing all tasks. We hope that you're ready to start doing your task. Good luck and have a good time!